Nimbus AI has just been released, and if you're wondering if this is the game-changing AI software everyone's talking about, you're in the right place. In today's review, I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about Nimbus AI. So stick with me till the end because I'm sharing some insights you won't find anywhere else. First, let me give you a quick overview. Nimbus AI is an all-in-one tool designed to streamline your workflows, making it ideal for marketers, content creators, and business owners looking to boost efficiency. What sets it apart from other AI tools? Well, it focuses on simplifying tasks while being powerful enough to handle complex processes. You can use it for everything from automating customer support to enhancing your marketing strategies and more. The first thing to note about Nimbus AI is its ability to integrate with virtually any platform you're already using. Whether it's your CRM, email system, or social media platforms, Nimbus seamlessly fits in and enhances your existing setup. This kind of flexibility is critical, especially when you want to save time without overhauling your entire system. Now, what about the interface? Nimbus AI makes it incredibly easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. The user-friendly dashboard ensures you can get started right away without a steep learning curve. And if you ever feel stuck, their support team is there to help guide you. Unlike many other tools that overwhelm you with features, Nimbus focuses on making the user experience simple yet efficient. Let's talk about the data insights. This is where Nimbus AI really shines. It provides in-depth analytics that help you make better, more informed decisions. Whether you're tracking social media performance or analyzing customer behavior, the data is actionable and precise. This is particularly useful for businesses that need to adjust their marketing strategies quickly. Another huge benefit is Nimbus AI's content generation capabilities. It's equipped with advanced AI that can help you craft copy for emails, ads, blog posts, and more. You'll be able to generate high-quality content in minutes, saving you countless hours of writing and brainstorming. The best part? The content feels personalized and engaging, not robotic. But it doesn't stop there. Nimbus AI also automates your scheduling and follow-ups. You can set reminders, schedule meetings, and even automate customer interactions, which allows you to focus on more important tasks. If you're running a business, this level of automation can be a game changer, helping you stay on top of every opportunity without feeling overwhelmed. As for pricing, Nimbus AI offers a free trial, which is a great way to explore its features without commitment. And I highly recommend giving it a shot, especially if you're in marketing or managing multiple projects. The free trial lets you test the waters and see if it aligns with your needs. Before I wrap up, here's a little secret. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've got a list of the best ones you can try for free, including Nimbus AI. If you're someone who's looking to level up your business operations and marketing, I highly recommend checking out these tools from the link below. Nimbus AI is definitely worth exploring if you're looking for an AI software that can boost your productivity and streamline your business processes. And remember, you can try it completely free using the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology. Check the link below for all the details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.